Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today I would like to present our proposed project for International Action Research Competition 2022 with the title Digital Passenger Counter System. So this project basically is the collaboration between two IHL, University Technical Malaysia Melaka, and College Community Selamat 2. So me with Muhammad Azimi, Muhammad Haris, Dr. Masrul, Dr. Faiz from University Technical Malaysia Melaka, and our partners from KKS2, Mr. Muhammad Khairuddin, Abdul Karim. So now I would like to pass the presentation to Muhammad Azimi, Muhammad Zarawi to continue the presentation.
Problem statement. First, problem statement is the bus do not have the automatic passenger counter system. And second one is less energy efficiency. For example, if using human labor, sometimes error will occur, and the calculation of passenger will not really be accurate. And the third one is daily passenger data. Daily passenger data, which is if this project doesn't exist, the passenger data is really hard to record by the driver bus. Objective is to design the passenger counter system by using an Arduino UNO. This used to count the number of persons who enter the bus. For example, when somebody enter the bus entrance, the switch turning on and the number of counting will increase. If someone leave the bus entrance, the switch will turn off, so the count will decrease until all of the passenger in the bus is go out. Then the number of passenger will display on the LCD display. Next, the block diagram. I use 4 main component, which is sensor, Arduino UNO, relay module, and LCD display. First of all, these 4 components will be supported by power supply 5 volt. Firstly, the sensor will send the position of object or person, and then it transmit the data to the Arduino UNO. Then Arduino UNO will process the data and send to the LCD display to display the data. At the same time, the Arduino UNO will turn on the relay module, so the relay module will in contact with the next circuit. Next is circuit diagram. List component. I use 1 Arduino UNO, 2 AR sensor, 1 relay module, 1 LCD display, and 1 potentiometer. The operation. I use flowchart to make easy to understand the flow of the project. So first, start button, and then if the person being sensed, the number of counting will increase, so the light is on. And if the number of person larger than 40, the buzzer will turn on. It means the bus is full, so the person who at 41 should leave the bus. All of this will display at the LCD display. And for the exit, if somebody exit the bus entrance, the counting will decrease one by one, depend on the passenger who leave the bus entrance, until the number of count equal to 0, so the light will turn off. All of this will display at the LCD display, and then so this is the digital passenger counter system on the prototype. Okay, next I will show you the demonstration video for my project. This is my project, which is the digital passenger counter system, and this is how it's look from the front view. So from the back view, it's like this. The circuit is connected to the power bank, which is the power supply 5 volt. As you can see here, this is the buzzer. When the number of passenger is larger than 40, the buzzer will turn on. And this is the relay module, which is when the passenger is counting. When the passenger enter the bus entrance, the counting will increase, then the relay module will be turned on. The relay module function as just like a switch, which is when it's turned on, it will in contact with the net circuit. So the net circuit we can connect from here. For example, we connect to the lamp or whatever. And this is the potentiometer to control the intensity of LCD display. And this is the first IR sensor to counting the number of passengers who enter the bus entrance, and the second IR sensor to count the number of passengers who leave the bus entrance. So this is the Arduino UNO to process the data that came from the input of IR sensor. Let's see how the project is working. Okay, as you can see here at LCD screen, it says nobody in the bus, which is there is no one in the bus just now. So when the passenger is across the bus entrance, the counting will be increased by 1 depending on the passenger who enter the bus entrance. And if the passenger who leave the bus, the counting will be decreased by 1. So the maximum number of passengers who can enter the bus is equal to 40. Other than 40, 41 and 42, 43, it will say the bus is full and the buzzer will turn on, which means the bus is already full. So the last passenger above 40 should leave the bus because the bus is already full. So let's see when the passenger at 41. So this is the last person who can enter the bus. If the other one person who enter the bus, it will say the bus is full and the buzzer will turn on, which means the bus is already full. So the other person at 41 and 43 should leave the bus because the bus is already full. So this is how the digital passenger counter is working.
Okay, thank you guys for watching NMZH channel. Hopefully you can get knowledge and benefit from the videos. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.